Right, got a bottom link to change. People call French cars, but look at this. There's a new one. We've got all the bolts and everything we need for it, brand new. So it shouldn't be too difficult a job. We'll give it a go.
Action!
Action!
What's your head mount?
It's alright.
Do you want me to hold that spanner for you, Mal?
Nah, it's alright. Come off. That's the nut out. We've got a bar to take that off.
Splitter.
Split it. That's fine. Not tap. Try that liquid there.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Right. Undo them 2 bolts now.
Yeah. Two hands. Terrible being weak. And crippled.
Crippled. Tell you what, Mark, I'll get my light for you. One.
That's one. This one's hard as get your spanner.
Yeah, I usually go backwards on with them.
Here?
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah.
I think. Go on.
Slip.
Right. Alright, go on.
That's it. I'll knock a splitter in, get the rest of it out.
Yeah.
It should come. Watch the hood don't come out too much. Pull the shaft.
Yeah. It's nearly out.
Yep.
As far as we can go with this. I know what he wants to chisel in there just to widen it a
or
fraction.
it there.
You reckon?
Yeah, that's fine. That's it.
Right. I wonder who did this last because there weren't any washers on it.
Probably you, Mark.
No, it didn't need a spring washer on.
I don't need one on now.
It don't need one on, it's got not a lot of nuts, we don't need that. Right.
You might put the ball joint on
Put
first.
the ball joint on. Might help.
Yep.
That's one. it?
Hard work, mate.
It is hard work. Look at the sweat.
See the sweat coming off your head.
I know, you can. God, unfit. Just putting a bolt.
I've only been working 7 minutes, 25 seconds.
There we are. Right. Now we've got the difficult job of putting this in there. Whoa. Yeah, but you see, people call French cars, and I've seen them struggling for 3 hours to do this. Change these ball joints.
Right, just turn this
In a bit.
That's open.
Yeah, hang on, we're not quite. There we are. We're in. Brilliant job. That's it. Done. Just got to.
Make sure it's level before you knock that.
Yeah. Yeah. Just got to get the hole lined up. Go for it. Spot on. Right. Job done.